The Leave a Legacy has an instruction panel where there is a QR code and there is a website address. Now you can either scan that QR code on your cell phone and it will take you to this same web address, or you can just type it into your browser yourself, whichever one you feel more comfortable with. You can use a web browser on your computer at home, or you can use your cell phone. First, I'm going to show you how to do it on your computer at home, then I'll show you how to do it on your cell phone at the park, scanning the QR code. So you're going to type in EPCOTtilefinder.com, and this will take you to the Leave a Legacy website. You're going to need to type in your first name, your last name, the city at the time of your registration, state, and then hit search. I registered mine under my name and my wife's name, so I was able to type in both of those and I got the same result. Now we're going to do this with the QR code. If you have it set correctly, put your camera straight up to the QR code and open the link, and as you can see, it takes you to the same website. Again, type in the same information and it shows us the exact same result. That easy. The location of mine is panel number 53, line number 22, and 8 across to the right.
No kicks!